Okay, so a cone just fits into a cylinder. Okay, so it fits, it's so tight, it's a tight fit. Okay, the volume of the cylinder is 94,525 centimeters cubed. What is the surface area of the cone to the nearest square centimeter? So this question talks about the cylinder and gives us information about the cylinder, but then it wants the surface area of the cone. So what we know is that both a cylinder and a cone have the base of a circle. And if the cone just fits into the cylinder, what this question is telling us is that they have the same base. So they're going to have the same radius and the same base. So from our picture, we know that the diameter actually is 20 centimeters, and then that makes the radius 10 centimeters. So let's go with the question. Okay, so it gives us the information about the volume of the cylinder. Okay, and we know that the formula for volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. So the volume we know is 94,525, and that equals 3.14 times 10 squared times h. What this is actually going to give us is it's going to give us also the height of the cone, because right now it gives us the radius, well, the diameter, we found the radius, and now all we're missing is the height. So 3.14 times 10 squared is just 100, so this is 314h. This is still 94,525. Divide both sides by 314, and we get h equals 301, and it says to the nearest square centimeter. Okay, so 301, this is going to be in centimeters. Okay, so this height is 301. Okay, so now the cone. So what is the surface area of the cone? So now the surface area of a cone, we know that the formula is pi r squared for the circle, and then plus pi rs. Okay, so we have 3.14 times the radius, which is 10 squared, plus 3.14 times the radius, which is 10, but we need s. Okay, so we're missing s. Let's do this in, let's go purple. Okay, so we have this triangle. This is 10. The height is 301. We need the slant of the cone. So we know that's a squared plus b squared equals c squared, c being the slant. 301 squared plus 10 squared equals c squared. So we have 301 squared plus 10 squared is 9701. And let's root both sides. Oh, it's very 301.2. And that makes sense because 301 is such a big number here for the height, and 10 is going to be very, very narrow. Okay, so 301.2, that's fine, 301.2, and we get the answer as 3.14 times 10 squared plus 3.14 times 10 times 301.2. We get the surface area of the cone is 9,771.68 centimeters squared, but this wants it to the nearest square centimeter. So let's say that the surface area equals 9,772 centimeters squared. And that's it. So use the information from a volume, take out all the information that you know, and apply it to the cone, because the cone is just a perfect fit right inside that cylinder.